Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. In this video series, we will teach you how to install landscape lighting. The first thing you want to do is make a plan. This plan will help make your project go a lot smoother. You want to go outside and find all the things you want to accent with lighting. It could be a tree, a group of flowers, a column on your house, or maybe you want to light up a pathway. After you have that figured out, you need to count up how many lights you will need. You will also need to know the type of fixture you will buy. For accent lighting, you will want to buy directional spotlights. For pathways, you will want pathway lights. Once you have picked out your lights, you need to count up all the watts of each fixture so you know what size transformer to buy. Measure the distance between each light that you're going to install so you know how much wire to get. Make sure you buy enough weatherproof wire connectors as well. You will need 2 for each fixture. Think about how you want the lights to come on. Do you want them on a timer, or do you want them on a photocell so that they come on when it gets dark and they turn off when it's light? Once you have your plan set, you can order your material and then you can begin your install. Please like our video and hit the subscribe button for access to another 150 videos.